Who don't like money? Who don't know whether you like or don't like money? Okay, thank you. So first, I would like to show you my first slide is on this money. Okay, I believe most of you raise your hand when I ask who like money, right? But do you know why people, they like money but they cannot get money? They don't have a lot of money. So this is the way. Okay, I would like to tell something about my story, how I can be so rich in the business. So I started work. Okay, I used to work with the bank as a bank officer, and my first salary is $500, $500. So it's very low salary. After I work for 1 year, you know how much is my increment? You know how much? $20. Yeah, $20. My increment for first year, $20. I resign. Okay, I go into where? I go into sales. Why? Because I know all the richest men in this world, they are good salesmen. If you want to become rich, you must go into the sales. That's why when I go into the sales, my salary in 1 month can go up to $3,000. From $500, it's come to $3,000. Because of what? Because of what? Because in sales line, how much you want to get is depend on whom? Depend on ourselves, right? So we work harder, we get more paid. But do you want to make more money than this? Anyone want to make more money than this? Thank you. So you see, if you want to make more money than this, you need to go into leverage. That's why I found one business called Forever. And this business allow me to leverage my time. You know, I use my time to exchange for more times. I leverage my time and I make more money. And my money can go to 4 stars. So if you want to make more than this, okay, you must go into influence. And you start to be a speaker. You start to motivate people, inspire people. And more people, they will work with you. And you will make 5-star money. If you want more, then you will become, you have the mastermind. What means by mastermind? You have all these good people, all these millionaires surrounding you in my networks. So I will reach 6 stars. Okay, this is the journey for me. Start as work and until today, I become the millionaires in Forever business, in the mastermind. So today, I will talk about productivity. The third, 4 course, the third part is productivity. And this is related to sales. So it's very simple. What is productivity? The total wholesale value of all orders in your business divided by the numbers of people ordering. So everybody knows when the CC go high, our income will become high, right? That's why it's very simple. Today I will share with you very simple how to increase your productivity. How many of you interested to know how to increase your productivity? Okay, I will teach you 3 ways and 4 steps. It's very simple. Don't think it's very complicated. Actually, to increase your productivity is very simple thing. You know, in the past time, they got one very rich man. And this rich man, he has one elephant. And one day, he want to do a challenge. He tell the whole village, all people come here. So he put his elephant in front, the elephant put on the ground, and in front there's a big lake, you know. And he tell everybody, he challenged everybody, if who can push my elephant, jump into the lake, I will pay you 1 million. So everybody comes. They say, I want to try, because you can try for free, of course. So everybody come and they try to push the elephant to the lake. Do you think they can push the elephant to the lake? And some of them, they try to pull the elephant to the lake. Do you think they can be successful? No. Then suddenly, they got one boy, you know, this boy coming forwards. And he tell this rich man, can I try? So the rich man say, of course, you can try. So the boy, he go to the elephant right hand side, and they see the elephant So then they move to the right, left-hand side and see the elephant. So elephant was so very surprised. What happened to this boy, right? Then he go to behind. And this boy pick up 2 stones, you know. And he aim at this elephant balls. And he hit the balls, you know. Oh, pain or not? Very pain. The elephant, immediately jump into the lake. And the boy won the $1 million. Okay? And the rich man, very pain, you know. Why? Because giving $1 million, still need to send the elephant to the hospital to have the treatment. So after 3 months, you know what happened? The elephant recovered. And this rich man, they challenge again. They say, now, okay, he called upon all the people from the village come out. He said, now, who can make my elephant, not the head, then shake the head, I will pay 1 million. So many people come and try, you know, they try. They pull the elephant. Do you think they can pull the elephant to knock the head and shake the head? Nobody can do this. Then suddenly, this small boy come again. So he tell the rich man, can I try? The rich man say, oh, you again. Okay, can, you can try, but this time cannot use stone anymore. No stone, okay? So the boy say, okay, I try. So the boy come and look at the elephant at the right hand side and go to the left hand side. Then suddenly he whispers to the elephant. Then elephant knock the head. Then after he whisper again, the elephant shake the head. So the rich man lost another $1 million, but he's so surprised. He asked the boy, how can you make my elephant knock the head and shake the head? Then the boy told the rich man, okay, what I whisper to your elephant. Okay, first, I ask the elephant, do you still recognize me? Elephant say, yes. You want to try again? No. Actually, it's very simple, you know. Don't make it complicated. You want to increase your productivity, you see. It is very simple. There are only 3 ways to grow your CC, okay? You must understand this formula. C times S times F is the productivity. So C is client. S is average sales of the purchase, and F is number of frequency. So you just need to either increase the number of client, increase the average transaction value, or increase the frequency of repurchase. This is the formula. Okay, you just need to do this. You see how great is this formula works. You see. Okay. If you have, let's say you have 1,000 clients, you multiply by 100 sales and multiply by 2 times frequency, and you will get 200,000 sales. But you see what happened? If you just have 10% increase in every part of this, from the C, 10% increase will become 1,100 clients. And another 10% increase in sales, you will get $110, and you increase another 10% on the frequency. It becomes 2.2. Then what you will get? You will get 266,000. Okay, it is what? It is 33% increase in your productivity. By just increase 10% of each of these. And you see, this is the magic, the power of multiplier effects. You see, the first example is 10% increase. You will get 33% increase in your total sales. And you see the second one, only 15% increase of each of these area, you will get 52% increase in your total sales. And the third example, if you just increase 20% of each area of this, you will get 73% increase. So now what we need to do here, we just need to think how to increase 3 parts of this. So let's see this. How to increase the C, the clients. For me, to increase the C, you just need to increase our lead generation through referral system. I love referral system. Because if people refer clients to you, do you think it's easier for you to close the deal? Do you think it's easier? I think it's easier. Why? Because your friends, your referral act as a bridge to bring the people to you. Okay, compared to you just make the cold call or you just meet the stranger and you try to convince them, I tell you, this is the easiest way. Okay, and you can do what? Okay, you can use acquire OP list, other people list. Actually, we have many friends, and our friends, they have many prospects, right? Right? You just get other people prospect, and you develop the USP, unique selling point, so that you can pass to all your friends and ask them help to share to their prospect. Then you will increase your lead generation. Okay, then secondly, you can increase our client retention rate by delivering higher than expected level of service. So like what Jeffrey told just now, you need to take care of your customer service. Don't let monkey take over your job. I think that's very important. That's why you need to increase. If possible, you deliver higher than what they expect. This is what we want to do. Okay, this is the first part, how to increase our client. And second part is how to increase our sales. So improve our team selling technique. So normally what I do, I come up with the SOP, standard operation procedure. I find all my top sales leaders and I ask them, okay, you do the talking. Okay, you do how you present to the prospect. Okay, we video the whole thing, we record the whole thing, and we send to all others. So normally, you know, there is a 80-20 rule. The 20% people, they are making more, 20% people, they are making 80% sales of your whole team, right? You get all these people and you do the SOP. And you can go for upsell and cross-sell. Okay, what is upsell? What is cross-sell? Upsells mean you increase the purchase. Those people maybe last time, one bottle aloe vera gel, they can last for maybe 5 days. Now they can last for 2 days. You can upsell. Drink more aloe. Okay, this is upsell. Then cross-sales. Maybe your client just buying healthcare products. Now you ask them to use the skincare product. It's a cross-sell. So do you have client you can upsell and cross-sell? Do you have that? Who got this kind of client? If you don't have, I tell you, change your friend. Delete all your friends in your phone and you change a new one. Okay, I think it's very effective way, you know. You have to change those people. They can support you more. Okay, then package complementary product together. Okay, you can sell combo pack instead of just selling the loose item. You understand? Normally we have Vital 5, we have Clean 9 pack. Okay, they are all in combo. Okay, if you sell this combo pack, do you think the sales will be better? Do you think the sales will be better? Yes, it will be better. Okay, then change profile of our products to be more upmarket. Don't sell our product cheap. Our product is very good product, very high quality product. You can get those people, the high rank people, the professional or some celebrity to use our product. And they can be our profile. And you can make our product become high class, right? Yeah, this is the way. How to increase our volume, the size of the transaction value. And last part is the frequency. So you must developing a back end of products so that you can do follow-ups. Whenever every prospect, when they come to attend our training or our product talk, okay, we will take down their data. We have the customer data so that we can do follow-ups. Okay, people come here not after the first training or first talk, they immediately buy the product. They might buy the product later, right? That's why you must have the back end of the product so that you can do the follow-up. Okay, you can use by telephone, by WhatsApp, or by any means. You can maintain a positive relationship and revitalize the attrition rate. And of course, you can run special event like product launch. Okay, we do product launch very frequent. Even those products already launched long time ago, but we still can do the product relaunch, right? Yeah, every month. We have so many products in Forever. We have more than 200 types of products in Forever. If you want to do, you can do 200 times product launch. Okay, and maybe you can do some limited pre-release, some special promotion. If you buy combo pack, you get something special, so that people come here, they will buy more. They will buy more frequent. Okay, these are 3 ways you do this. Okay, and we come to the 4th step. Okay, first step. What is the first step to improve our productivity? The first step is you must do your active CC. Because today, all of you are eager manager, right? Of course, you are doing your active CC. But you need to teach all your downlines follow. So there are 10 ways for the active CC. First, personal use. Do you use our product? Minimum 1 CC every month. Like me, we consume more than 10 CC a month. But 1 CC, is it okay? Is it okay for you? Yes, 1 CC. And you need to take care of your family member. Your parents, your sisters, your brothers, your children. Do you think they need products? Yes, you take care of them. And you can use client testimony. I have many clients. And those clients, after consuming our product, they get good effect. And they become our testimony. We invite them to come on stage and share their experience after using our products. You can use that one. Can also contribute to our active CC. Okay? And knowledge and experience-based selling. So if you don't have knowledge, or if you don't have experience, you must come to learn. You must attend all product training events so that you can get all this knowledge. And when you do more, they will get experience. So those people, when they go on stage, they are good in knowledge and they are good in experience. You see their closing rate is very high. Okay? This is called knowledge and experience-based selling. Or number 5 is activity-based selling. Means you conduct the activities. Like home meeting, like product launch, like all these. Okay? This also can help us to achieve our active CC. And number 6, sponsoring news prospect. Do you sponsor news prospect every month? Do you sponsor new prospect every month? If you sponsor 1 AS, how many CC you get? 2 CC. Okay, you sponsor 2, 4 CC. So you already settle your active CC. Just 2 AS, you will settle your active CC. So number 7, servicing existing client. So remember this. When the first time client buy product from you, it's not your real sales. Maybe they try to support you. Okay? But if you want them to become your loyalty client, then you need the repeat order. That's why follow up here is very important, right? You need your client to repeat. When they buy from you again, there's not support you any. That not means they just want to support you because the product works on them. You understand? Okay? So here number 8, client referrals. You can use your client to refer more clients to you. Okay? This is also the way to increase our active CC. And number 9, you can do some charity activities. Okay? Like us, normally we can ask those people, the rich people, to donate some monies. We can buy some good products. Then we donate to orphanage, we donate to the old folks house. Okay, we can do this, charity. And we also can get CC, right? Yes, and give to others. Normally, if our friends got wedding or they have birthday celebration, we give our product as a gift to them. Because we believe Forever product is the best in the world. Do you agree that? Yes. So step number 2. Okay, you must set higher standard for active and personal non-manager CC. So like in my team, we have this ALO 5 CC club. Okay, even though company policy, you just need to do 4 CC to be active, right? Okay, but we encourage them to do more. We encourage them to do 5 CC. And we come up with the levels in 5 CC club. We have bronze level, silver level, gold level, platinum level. Okay, this we will train our downlines to do 5 CC more consistently. Not only one time. 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months. So they will get higher level. So this is the standard for active CC. And the standard for personal non-manager CC, we have another club we call Alo Ambassador Club. So we encourage our people to do at least 25 CC, okay, for consecutive 6 months. Then we will give them bronze level. If you can do more than this, 50 CC, double, 50 CC, you will get silver level. Okay, if you do 75 CC for 6 months, you will get gold level. Okay, if you do 100 CC personal non-major sales for 6 months, you will get platinum level. So we have so many downlines in our country that can do 100 CC per month, personal non-manager, just because they want to reach this level, platinum level. You understand? Policy not required us to do this, but you can set the higher standard so that you can increase the productivity. Do you agree with that? So this is our 5cc celebration. So we do this 5cc celebration very frequent. So we bring them for lunch or for dinner, and we give them some presents, some gift for them to achieve 5cc. And those not achieve 5cc, do you feel you want to come to join us? You want to come to join us? Yes, that's why you need to do it. You need to achieve this, so we will treat you as well. So this is how we train our people to do active CC and to increase the personal non-manager CC. And step number 3, okay, target your incentive and pin level. But for me, I encourage people to go for incentive first, because the pin will come. When you go for incentive, the pin will come automatically. Because incentive is money. You understand? So we want money. We want productivity because we want money. So here, you see, you must teach volume mapping. Okay, volume mapping is like this. You see here? You are here, and you have all your downlines, and you know how many CC come from each of your downlines group. And you can plan. You can plan your CC. Okay, and for the incentive base, you see, normally when the new people join us, I will encourage them to do 50 CC. Okay, straight away you can aim for 50 CC, because 50 CC is our forever to drive first month requirement, right? So you must aim that one, because you want high income, you must have higher target, higher standard. So you do this, and you use plan. First you plan. What is your monthly goal? And you start to perform the plan. After that, you do according to what you plan. Then you need to check. Because sometimes something happen, or what your result is not according to what you plan. Then what you need to do? You need to monitor the progress, then action. You improve the plan. If your plan not work, what you need to do? You improve the plan. And you redo again, replan again, plan to check action. This is the continuous program. Okay, it won't stop. And last, what you need to do, you need to make the competition among all the top builders. Like my team, I have many managers, many eager managers, and many chairman bonus managers. So they are all compete each other. Okay, because why? Because I do this, every month I will recognize the highest personal non-manager sales, okay, with cash incentive. Okay, they won't do just enough, They don't do just enough for them to achieve eager, or for them to achieve chairman bonus. What they will do? They will do more than that, because they want to be our top PNM sales achiever. Okay, we recognize them. Okay, we snap photo, we recognize them, and we also organize the event. Like this photo is taken during our annual dinners. Every year we have the annual dinners, and we recommend those highest income achievers. So we have the top 10 income achievers coming on stage. So those people, they are fighting. They are fighting for that. They are competing. Okay, they want to be in the top 10. Okay, so this is how. Okay, how you motivate your people to do more. Okay, don't just motivate by your mouth or by yourself. You can use the environment. All your team members, when they compete each other, do you think it's good? It's very good. there's a positive competition. Everybody, they can help to motivate each other, you know. They motivate, come, we fight. Never mind, we fight again. Okay? So this is very important. So anyone here, you learn something by this session? Please raise up your hand. Who learned something? Okay, you learn something? Okay. Who want to learn? Okay, because from this session, I only touch until sales and leverage. Who want to learn about the influence and mastermind? Who are interested? You're interested to learn the influencing and the mastermind? Because why? You need more money. You want to have more money. So you come tonight training. Okay, tonight training, I will show you how to influence and how to mastermind. Okay? Okay, last, for those raise up your hand just now, you learn something. What you need to do, stop wishing. Start doing your responsibility. Okay, go out and bring in sales. Do more productivity. Okay, so see you at the top. Thank you.